You can create a talking AI avatar in 2 minutes with AI, and I'm going to show you the whole process, not just talk about it. The tool is DID. Stick around, because the result at the end is genuinely impressive. So what is DID? Straight from the source, introducing NUI, the natural user interface aimed at revolutionizing how people interact with anything digital, leveraging the power of AI in plain words. It lets you create a talking AI avatar without any skills. Let me show you what it can really do. Here's what makes DID worth your time, taken straight from the tool itself. First, AI videos and interactive avatars for human-like communication. On top of that, agentic videos transform passive content into interactive AI experiences. That's real capability, not marketing fluff. And these aren't mock-ups. This is real work people made with DID. Look at the quality, and keep in mind they had no experience when they started. It goes further too. Real-time, emotionally intelligent conversations. Built for product-grade scale. New, introducing V4 expressive visual agents. So it's not a one-trick tool, you'll actually keep using it. Let's actually use it. Go to the DID website and sign up. You can log in with Google in a few seconds, and the free plan needs no credit card. Once you're in, you start your project the same way you saw in those examples. You describe what you want in plain words, or upload your own file to work from. Hit generate, and DID does the heavy lifting in seconds. If it's not perfect, you tweak your prompt or settings and run it again. That back and forth is where the magic happens. When you're happy, export your result and use it anywhere, in your videos, your business, or social media. The whole thing really does take about 2 minutes. Honestly, the free plan is enough to get real value and test it properly. You only need to pay once you're scaling up or want commercial rights. No pressure to upgrade on day one. That's the full process to create a talking AI avatar with DID in 2 minutes. The link to try it is in the description. If this was useful, subscribe. I break down a new AI tool properly every day.